Serious illness has made nearly 100 children sick, and it could be linked to coronavirus. This syndrome has affected children in New York City, where they've had 3 confirmed fatalities already.
And now Indiana doctors are urging you parents to know the signs of this developing issue. It's called pediatric multisystem inflammatory syndrome.
Fox 59's Courtney Crown spoke with a local doctor and shares his message tonight for parents.
A new mystery syndrome seems to threaten children's health who have been exposed to or have had COVID-19.
We're still learning a lot about it, but in general, I don't think it's something that is something necessarily that we need to be panicking about, but being informed is also very important.
What's known as pediatric multisystem inflammatory syndrome acts similarly to other serious inflammatory conditions like Kawasaki disease and toxic shock syndrome.
Persistent fever, so fever for 4 or 5 or more days, is kind of a hallmark symptom of all those syndromes, of rash, of hand, foot, or swelling, redness of the eyes that we call conjunctivitis, abdominal pain. So a lot of the symptoms are the same because it's all inflammation of the body.
Is there any way to prevent it?
There's not any way that we know of to prevent it right now. We are still in the very early stages of figuring out who is susceptible to it, what and why are some kids getting it, but we don't know exactly how to prevent it.
We checked with our local hospitals, and so far there aren't any cases in Indiana. Doctors advise patients not to panic at the first sight of symptoms, considering most of them are things that would not otherwise send parents rushing to the ER.
We want people to really be informed about what the symptoms are, and we want people to stay in communication with their doctor.
Dr. James Wood with Riley Children's Hospital claims PMIS doesn't appear to spread.
The inflammation syndrome is not contagious from person to person, but it is seemingly kids that have been exposed to it or had the disease that are getting it later on.
Courtney Crown, Fox 59 News.
Courtney, thank you. The syndrome has mainly affected school-aged children in New York. And again, we have not had any cases reported here in Indiana.